Kotlin is a popular choice for Android app development, and its popularity is only expected to grow in the future. Today I'm going to be talking about Kotlin, a statically typed, general-purpose programming language with type inference. What is Kotlin? Kotlin is a relatively new programming language, first released in 2011. It is designed to be a modern replacement for Java, and it has quickly gained popularity among developers. Kotlin is statically typed, which means that the types of variables and expressions are known at compile time. This helps to prevent errors and makes code more readable. Kotlin also has type inference, which means that the compiler can infer the type of a variable or expression from its context. This can make code shorter and more concise. Kotlin is a popular choice for Android app development, and its popularity is only expected to grow in the future. Here are a few reasons why. Kotlin is concise. Kotlin code is typically shorter and more concise than Java code, which can make it easier to read and maintain. Kotlin is safe. Kotlin is a statically typed language, which means that the compiler can check for errors at compile time. This can help you avoid runtime errors and crashes. Kotlin is interoperable with Java. Kotlin code can be used alongside Java code in Android apps. This makes it easy to migrate existing Java apps to Kotlin, or to use Kotlin and Java together in new projects. If you're looking for a modern, safe, and concise language for your next Android app development project, Kotlin is a great option. Here are a few interesting things that you can do with Kotlin. Build complex apps. Kotlin is a powerful language that can be used to build complex Android apps. Use Kotlin with other languages. Kotlin can be used with other languages, such as Java and JavaScript. Contribute to open source projects. There are many open source Kotlin projects that you can contribute to. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of Kotlin and why it's a great choice for Android app development. Associative We provides IT services, Android and iOS app development, web development, website, digital marketing, SEO, YouTube marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, and market research service. Please contact us via WhatsApp at 90288505524. Email info@associative.in, website associative.in and associative.co.in.